Did you know a Roman emperor seriously planned to make his horse a consul, one of the highest offices in the empire? Emperor Caligula didn't just love his horse Incitatus, he treated it like royalty. He built the animal a marble stable with an ivory manger, purple blankets, and a collar covered in precious stones worth millions today. But it gets stranger. Caligula regularly invited Incitatus to dinner parties, where the horse drank wine from golden goblets. Roman senators were forced to bow and treat the horse with full diplomatic honors. And Caligula was completely serious about appointing Incitatus as consul. Only his assassination in 41 prevented it from happening. But here's the shocking truth. This wasn't madness at all. It was a calculated insult to the Roman Senate. Caligula wanted to show the world that he thought so little of their political abilities, that even a horse could do their job better. The ultimate power move disguised as insanity.